Hi there, I'm Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and thank you so much for coming to this next sound juggling video. Letters for these exercises, I don't want you to worry about those, so just kind of block them out, and we're going to process sounds. And so this is your brain. Well, it's not your brain, but it's a brain. Okay, so we know our five senses, right? We have the sense of touch, the sense of taste, sense of smell, sense of hearing, and our vision. And when we learn, the more of these senses we use, the better we learn. So today I'm not going to ask you to smell anything, but I am going to ask you to hear the sounds, to look at the sounds. I'm not going to ask you to taste the sounds, but I am going to ask you to feel the sounds with your mouth and say them. So I like that picture of the mouth. I am going to ask that you touch the sounds, but you're going to do this in a pretend way. So when I have a sound up on the screen here, you are going to touch it by in the air, touching each sound. So see it, say it, hear it, and we will be good. So here is the first one. This is add. Add. In add, what if I put the d over here? Then you have da. Here is ibe. In ibe, what if I put the b over here? Then you have buy. Here is aub. In aub, what if I put the b over here? Now we have bow. Here is aim. In aim, what if I put the over here? Then you have may. Here is eight. In eight, what if I put the t over here? Then you have tay. Here is ash. In ash, what if I put the sh over here? Now you have sha. Here is as. In as, what if I put the z over here? Now you have za. Here is off. In off, what if I put the f over here? You would have fa. Here is oat. In oat, what if I put the t over here? You would have toe. Here is ought. In ought, what if I put the t over here? Now you have ta. Here is in. In, what if I put the n over here? You would have n. This one is irk. In irk, what if I put the k over here? Then you would have cur. This one is earth. In earth, what if I put the th there? Then you have thir. Here is etch. In etch, what if I put the ch there? Now you have che. Here is ig. In ig, what if I put the g there? Then you have g. Here is aim. In aim, what if I put the here, you would have a, may. Here is am. In am, what if I put the over here? You have ma. Here is own. In own, what if I put the there? You have no. Here is oig. In oig, what if I put the g there? You would have goy. Here is each. In each, what if I put the ch there? You would have chi. Here is eel. In eel, what if I put the over here? You would have lee. This one is ag. In ag, what if I put the g over there? Then you have ga. Here is out. In out, what if I put the t over there? You would have tau. Here is app. In app, what if I put the p there? You would have pa. Here is itch. In itch, what if I put the ch there? Then you have chi. Here is os. In os, what if I put the s over there? Then you would have so. Thank you so much for coming to the sound juggling lesson. I look forward to the next one. I hope you have a great day. Bye.